stress management and the 11 plus. Exam stress is real, but it's also manageable. Here's what most parents get wrong. They try to eliminate stress completely. That's not realistic or even helpful. The goal is to transform that nervous energy into productive focus. So, here's your action plan. 3 practical steps that you can take to help your child. 1. Set a worry window. Create a daily 15-minute space where your child can openly discuss any exam concerns that they have. Outside that window, focus on progress, not pressure. This gives them control over their worries instead of letting their worries control them. Number 2, celebrate the small wins. Learn 3 new vocabulary words and use them correctly? That's a win. Figured out a tough maths problem? That's a high five moment. Completed a whole EPP practice paper? That's a full-blown victory dance. These aren't just feel-good moments. They're building blocks of confidence for your child. And number 3, create stress-free zones. Designate certain times and places as completely 11 plus free. Maybe it's dinner time, or Sunday afternoons, or bedtime. Your child needs to know that their whole life isn't about this exam. Always watch the signals. If your child starts showing signs of overwhelm, trouble sleeping, unusual irritability, loss of appetite, that's your cue to pause and reset. Take a day off, go to the park, kick a ball around. Remember, a stressed brain can't learn effectively. Your child is more resilient than you think. They can handle this challenge, especially with your steady support. And remember, this period is temporary. This too shall pass. But the skills they're learning about managing pressure and staying focused, those last a lifetime. You've got this, and more importantly, your child's got this. One step at a time, one day at a time, always moving forward. And if you need help finding that balance, we're right here with practical solutions that work for real families like yours. From exam stress to success, visit exampapersplus.co.uk today. We've got you covered.